How to actually fix your mind before it's too late. Your mind is the battlefield, and right now, you're losing, not because you're broken, but because you've been trained to stay weak. Let me say it straight. Your life is a reflection of how your mind is wired. If you're stuck, anxious, lazy, broke, it's not the world. It's you. It's your patterns, your programming, your excuses. Welcome to our channel. You've been fed lies since day one. It's okay to not be okay. Sure, but it's not okay to stay there. You think you're tired, but you're just unchallenged. You say you're overwhelmed, but you're just overstimulated with garbage. You're not low energy. You're low purpose. Scrolling, binging, numbing. That's not rest. That's mental decay. You keep believing every anxious, fearful, self-loathing thought in your head. Why? Because you've never learned to question them. Your mind is a liar. It's wired to keep you safe, not successful. And if you don't challenge it, you become its prisoner. You don't fix your mind with bubble baths and crystals. You fix it by building resilience, by becoming someone your past self wouldn't even recognize. Mental strength isn't a vibe. It's a decision. Daily, deliberate, discipline, not dopamine. Here's the fix, the real one. Start acting like your mind is a muscle. Train it, stress it, stretch it, feed it truth, starve it fear. Meditate not for peace, but for control. Journal not to vent, but to extract the lies. Move your body not for looks, but for clarity. Your mind will follow your body's momentum. You sit still long enough, your thoughts rot. No one's coming to fix you. No guru. No hack. No pill. This is your job. You fix your mind when you decide you're done being average. When you finally get fed up with your own BS. When you stop waiting for motivation and start living like your future depends on it. Your mind is either your weapon or your worst enemy. Fix it, or watch it destroy everything you could have been.